Okay guys, I need you to solve number 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13, then check your answers with me. Okay guys, I'm gonna start with here, number 8. I have here dime, 10, 10, 10. I have here, it's a nickel guys, it's not a quarter. Look, quarter I have here, it's a nickel. Nickel, it's a smaller than a quarter actually. So I have here nickels 5, 5, 5, and I have here penny as 1. So let's keep counting. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. So I'm gonna write 46. Let's make sure. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46. 46. I reach 100? No. So all of it will be in the decimal in terms of a dollar. And here I'm gonna write it as a fraction. And here I'm gonna write it only in decimal form, not in term of a dollar. Is it easy? Yes. Okay guys, I have here a dollar. Dollar means 100. Okay, and I have here a quarter, 25, nickel, 5, and penny, 1 and 1. So 100 plus 25, 125 plus 5, 130, 131, 132. So let's write 132 here first. Oh guys, it's more than 100. So I have a dollar. I have here as a dollar. Okay, and I have 32 as decimal. And I'm gonna write sign of a dollar. Now, how I'm gonna write it as a fraction? Okay, I have 32 hundredths. And I have $1. $1 means a unit or the whole number that I have. Now I want to write it in a decimal form. It's easy, 1.32. Now number 10, write as many amount as a decimal in terms of a dollar. Okay, 2700, it's easy, 0.27 terms of a dollar. So I'm gonna put the dollar sign or in a decimal. So I'm gonna write it again without the dollar sign. Now 400, 4 is in the hundreds place. So 0 is 4. First 0 is first number. I'm gonna write 4. Now the second 0, I'm gonna leave it? No, I'm gonna take it with me. And I will put a decimal point and a 0 in terms of a dollar, so I'm gonna write the dollar sign. Only a decimal, so I'm gonna write it again without the dollar sign. Now 7500, 0.75 in terms of a dollar, or as a decimal, I'm gonna write it as it is. Now, oh guys, 100 over 100. 100 over 100 equals what? 1. So I have $1, or as a decimal is 1.0. Why 1.0? Because I don't have a decimal. I don't have a fraction. Look guys, if I divide 100 over 100, it will give me 1. Now write the total money amount, then write the amount as fraction and as decimal in terms of a dollar. Actually, it's like this one, but instead of giving me pictures, he said that I have a quarter, 6 dimes, 8 pennies. Okay, quarter equals what? 25. 6 dimes. Guys, we said dime is 10. So I have 6 tenths equals 60. Dime is 10, so I'm gonna say 6 times 10 equals 60, and I have 8 pennies. Pennies equals 1, so 8 times 1 equals 8. So I have 25 plus 60 plus 8. Okay guys, 25 plus 60, if you add it, you will find it 85. Now 85 plus 8, 5 plus 8 equals 13, 3, carry up 1, it's 9, 93. Oh guys, it's less than 100, that means all of it will be in the decimal place. Why? Because we didn't reach 100, we don't have a dollar. So I'm gonna write it in terms of a dollar. Now, how I'm gonna write it as a fraction? It's 93 hundredths, and as a decimal, it's 0.93. Now, let's move on to number 15. I have 3 dimes. Dime is what, guys? We said dime is 10, so 3 times 10 equals 30. And I have 5 nickels. Nickel is 5, so 5 times 5 equals 25. And I have 20 pennies. Penny is 1, so 1 times 20 equals 20. So I have 30 plus 25 plus 20. 30 plus 20 equals 50. 50 plus 25, it's 75. Again, guys, I didn't reach 100 yet. So, like, I have 75 over 100. I didn't reach it yet. And as a money, I don't have a whole number, guys. I didn't reach $1 yet. I have 75 cents only. And here, how I'm gonna write it as a fraction is 0.75.